Okay, we're back to evaluating expressions again. So we're going to work about 3 more problems and then we're going to move on to another section of evaluating expressions. So let's continue with number 5. So we have 3 plus 4 times 5 plus 3. Now you know that this right here means multiplication. As I said earlier, you can either leave it as that if you know, or if it confuses you, you can just write a times right there, which also means multiplication. So if you look at this and you look at please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, you have parentheses, you have some parentheses here, we got some multiplication here, and we also have addition. But first, you want to do what is in parentheses. And we have a 3 plus 4 in parentheses and a 5 plus 3. I know that it also has addition on the inside of these parentheses, but because they are in parentheses, you have to do parentheses first. Okay, so we're going to do these parentheses first. And so we know that 4 plus 3 is going to give us 7. You want to bring down the multiplication sign. And we know that 5 plus 3 is 8, which is going to give us a total of 56. Now let's do number 6. All right, we have this one. Okay, right here, we have parentheses, we got some multiplication, and we got division. First, you do what is in parentheses because that is what's first. So, we know that 9 times 8 is 72. Bring down the division sign. We know that 4 times 3 is 12. Now this is just simple division from here. Like I said, guys, you can leave it as this if you want to, but I would really love if you would simplify it. So we know that 72 divided by 12 is going to give us 6. And that is the answer. Okay. Now let's move on to the last problem, number 7. All right, so for number 7, we have 2. Now we have this bracket right here. I know that's something new, but I'm gonna explain to you what it is. Okay, so this bracket is here to make sure that you don't leave out this 2. You have to multiply the 2 by everything that's in this bracket and parentheses. So don't let the bracket scare you. It's only here to make sure that you do not leave out this 2. And right here, the 2 is on the outside because you're supposed to actually multiply the 2 by everything that's in these parentheses. So if you don't know, there is an invisible multiplication sign right here. It may be included there on your test, or you just may have to remember to add it. Whatever works for you. Okay? So, if we look up here, we have to do what's in parentheses first. So, we bring down our 2. We bring down our bracket because we do parentheses first. So, we know that 5 plus 4 is going to give us 9 times 3. Now, I bet you're wondering, okay, these aren't parentheses. Well, they act as parentheses now because now you have multiplication, multiplication, and we're going to use these as parentheses so that we know that we're supposed to multiply 2 by what's on the inside of this. So let's do so. So 9 times 3 is going to give us 27. Now 2 times 27 is going to give us 54. And that's how you do that problem.